Hello everyone, so how to use channel switcher on Slack. So on Mac, just press Command plus K. So something like that. And then basically just type, for example, channel name. You will see, for example, support. If you only want to see public channels, just do that and then you will quickly see all the channels. And then, yeah, you can just quickly switch between them. So I'm just doing that with arrows and then enter. So super handy to switch between channels. Or just go to random. So that's super cool, right? So yeah, that's how it works. So here are some instructions. You can also open a direct message or group. You can switch to another workspace, but only on enterprise grid plan. And then you can do something like that on iOS and Android. Swipe from left to right to open channel list, and then use jump to field to search for specific channels or DMs. And the same on Android. So hope it was helpful.